everyone. My name is Dr. Ariel Gaudiello. I recently graduated with my PhD from the math department in 2019. So I worked as a teaching assistant for the Excel program for 5 years during grad school, and I loved it so much that I honestly couldn't leave. So now I'm an adjunct instructor. I've taught all of our math courses from college algebra through calculus 3, so you may have me as an instructor there, but I also teach our STEM seminar course. So this program is honestly such a great experience. I love being involved with the students and watching you guys as you progress through your math sequence, but also I really love learning about your success outside of the classroom and even after school. So a lot of my former students are now in med school, they're working towards their own PhD, and they constantly update me on their success.
Hi, my name is Chris Patello. I'm a PhD student at UCF. I'm in my 3rd year of the math program, and I've been with Excel for about 4 semesters. Excel has a very supportive and energetic atmosphere, which lends well to learning. One example of how Excel creates a positive learning environment is the Excel Center, which is a place where you can go to get questions answered or get additional help for physics, chemistry, and math.
Hello everyone, my name is Evan Donald. I'm a 3rd or 4th year PhD student, somewhere in between. I'm studying probability and stochastic processes. I'm going to be your calc instructor this semester.
Hey everyone, my name is Michael Johnstone, and I'm a 2nd year PhD student in the Biomedical Sciences program. I also study bacterial metabolism in Dr. William Self's lab. I've been with the Excel Compass program for about a year now as their biology TA and also the coordinator for undergraduate research experience, or URE.
Hello, my name is David Fairchild, and I'm one of the TAs for STEM Seminar. I'm a 4th year chemistry PhD student, and this is my 4th year with the Excel program.
Hi, I'm Layla Johnston, and I'm going into my 3rd year at UCF, majoring in math. I work at the Excel Center as a math tutor. I decided to become a tutor because I want to be a source of guidance and help for other undergraduates.
Hi, my name is Brian Medina. I'm a 4th year McNair Scholar studying computer science and mathematics, and I'm currently a tutor for the Excel Center, where I help students get a grasp for concepts in math, physics, and computer science. The reason why I decided to become a tutor for Excel was because I wanted an opportunity to give back to a community that has offered me so much. Due to the resources UCF has to offer, I've been able to go visit and do research at schools like Carnegie Mellon University, University of Pittsburgh, and currently MIT. I have been able to get help academically to succeed in all my classes. I've been able to gain valuable experience in the workforce, and I've been able to cultivate lifelong friendships.
I'm Lily, and I'm an upcoming senior in industrial engineering. I'm a Excel Calculus 1 class learning assistant. I became a learning assistant because I love helping students and I felt like I had a lot to offer.
I'd say my advice for future students is to network with as many people as you can.
Some advice I would give to students is to get involved. The Excel program hosts a lot of events throughout the year. Go to them even if you don't know anyone.
So the advice I have from my experience would be to please come forward with any subject you're confused on as soon as possible. It doesn't matter if it's in virtual office hours or if you send me a message on web courses or email me.
Some advice I like to give is that everyone makes mistakes and failure is not the end of the world, but don't let it set the precedent for the rest of your college career.
If I can offer one piece of advice to students, it's to not be afraid to seek out help when you need it. Early on, I prevented myself from growing and learning because I was too afraid to admit that I didn't know something. This really pushed me back and only limited me as the years continued. Get out there and don't be afraid.
So you have so many great opportunities that are available to you by joining this program. And honestly, I'd really encourage you to get to know your instructors, your teaching assistants in the classroom, and even your fellow classmates. You don't know where those connections are going to lead you, and they could be something awesome in the future. So enjoy your first semester at UCF, and I look forward to seeing you guys.